Hello guys, I'm here to present you the 10 portable air conditioner. As you can see here, it's very convenient. We have a power station, a big power station where we connect the power supply here and we open it from here. As you can see now, the unit is running under cooling mode, but we have 4 different modes. This mode is the night mode, dry mode, and fan mode. In cooling mode, we can set the temperature from 16 degrees till 30 degrees. With this button, you can select directly the night mode, where the unit runs at 24 degrees. And also the unit has timer, where you can set up the timer, the time that we need for the unit to close or open. And the timer has been set now. Here's the grill, that we can change the angle of the air outlet. So now the device has these 2 components, as you can see here, inside the carton box, and let me show you now how we use them. On the back of the device, there's the air outlet for the hot air. So first of all, we connect this one on the back of the unit. Here, as you can see, it's connected, and this pipe, it's very easy. So we put the unit inside the tent. This is the air outlet for the hot air. With this pipe, we can lead the hot air outside the tent, and we can close our tent. Now the perfect conditions inside.